Hey there! In this emergency income kit review, I'm going to show you a system that reveals 28 quick, easy, and fun ways to make money online, even if you have zero experience and no tech skills. You can start earning as soon as today with just an internet connection. Plus, I'll walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what's inside before making a decision. And stick around, because I've got some exclusive bonuses if you grab the Emergency Income Kit through my link below. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, a six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years of experience in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good to you, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. So, what exactly is the Emergency Income Kit? It's a step-by-step guide that reveals 28 different unusual but proven ways to make money online. You don't need to start a business, sell anything, or invest a single penny. These are simple tasks that anyone can do and get paid for. It's perfect for beginners because you don't need any experience, fancy software, or technical skills. Just follow the step-by-step instructions and start earning. This isn't some business in a box. It's all about fast and easy income streams that can put money in your pocket right away. How does it work? The Emergency Income Kit is built for simplicity. Here's how it works. Step 1. Pick a method from the 28 money-making strategies inside. Step 2. Follow the easy step-by-step instructions. Step 3. Start making money. Some methods pay out daily. No experience? No problem. Each method is beginner-friendly, and you can do it from anywhere in the world. Now, let's talk about the upgrades. These are optional, but they can really help you maximize your earnings. OTO 1 to 10, X profits, $97, $67. The FE methods work, but they won't make you rich. This upgrade gives you access to higher-paying companies that pay up to 10x more per job. OTO 2, EIKAI Coach, 97/67. This AI-powered coach helps you stay on track, avoid confusion, and get step-by-step guidance when you're stuck. It's like having a personal assistant to ensure your success. OTO 3, Personal Mentoring, 97/67. Get live monthly coaching calls from Tommy, a millionaire marketer, plus 3 premium mindset courses that normally sell for over $300. OTO 4, Resell Rights, $47/$27. Want to sell the Emergency Income Kit as your own product and keep 100% commissions? This upgrade gives you full reseller rights. Which one should you get? If you're serious about maximizing your income, OTO 1, 10x profits, is a game changer. It connects you with high-paying opportunities that multiply your earnings. What I like about the Emergency Income Kit. Here's what makes this stand out for me. Beginner-friendly. No skills, no investment, just simple methods that work. Works worldwide. No matter where you live, you can make money with these strategies. Step-by-step instructions. Each method is easy to follow with zero guesswork. Instant access. Start making money today with just an internet connection. I also love that it's only $9.97. You're getting 28 tested income methods for less than the price of lunch. What could be improved? While this is a great product, it's not a magic button for overnight riches. You still need to put in the effort to follow the methods. And if you're looking for a full-time income, you'll probably want to upgrade to the 10x Profits package. Also, some of these methods require consistency, so don't expect to make thousands overnight. But if you follow the steps, you'll see results. Click the link below to grab the Emergency Income Kit now and get my exclusive bonuses. That's it for my review. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss my next review. Let me know in the comments. What do you think of the Emergency Income Kit? Will you try it? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, go grab your copy, start making money, and I'll see you in the next video.